How to foster a strong sibling bond. Tips for parents. Sibling rivalry is as old as time itself. It's natural for siblings to fight and argue, to compete for attention and resources, but that doesn't mean you should just throw up your hands and let chaos reign. Teach them how to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts constructively, and respect each other's differences. That's what's going to set them up for success, not just as siblings, but as human beings. So in this video, we're diving into practical tips to help your kids build a strong, loving, and supportive sibling bond. Encourage open communication. It's a vital aspect of nurturing a healthy family dynamic. Communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship, including between siblings. It helps them understand each other better and builds trust. Active listening is key, paying attention, asking clarifying questions, and seeing things from their perspective. This shows that you value their thoughts and feelings. Encourage your kids to share their feelings openly and honestly without fear of judgment. This openness can prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Create a safe space for them to express themselves, a place where they feel heard and understood. Model respectful communication in your own relationships. Children learn by observing, so let them see you engaging in positive interactions. Let them see you resolving conflicts calmly and respectfully. This teaches them that disagreements can be handled without anger or resentment. Don't interrupt when they're trying to talk to you. Give them the space to express their thoughts fully. Validate their emotions, even if you don't necessarily agree with their perspective. Acknowledge their feelings and show empathy. Let them know that their thoughts and feelings matter. This validation can boost their self-esteem and confidence. By fostering open and honest communication, you're giving your kids the tools they need to build a strong and healthy sibling bond. This bond can last a lifetime. This foundation will help them weather any storm. They'll know they can rely on each other no matter what challenges they face. Promote teamwork. Encourage your kids to work together towards common goals. Involve them in activities that require cooperation, like puzzles or building a fort. Give them responsibilities around the house that they have to tackle as a team. Create opportunities for them to work together and support each other. It's about building camaraderie and knowing they're in it together. These lessons will serve them well throughout their lives. Teach conflict resolution. It's an essential life skill that will benefit your children in countless ways. Conflict is a part of life. It's inevitable and can arise in various situations, whether at home, school, or later in the workplace. It's about teaching your kids how to navigate it in a healthy and constructive way. This involves open communication, active listening, and empathy. Conflict is an opportunity for growth. It helps children understand different perspectives and develop emotional intelligence. It's a chance for your kids to learn problem-solving, negotiation, and compromise. These skills are crucial for their personal and social development. Guide them through the process of resolving the conflict themselves. Encourage them to express their feelings and listen to others. Help them identify the problem and brainstorm possible solutions. This teaches them to think critically and creatively. Encourage them to find a compromise that works for everyone involved. This fosters a sense of fairness and mutual respect. Compromise means finding a solution that everyone can live with. It's about balancing individual needs with the needs of others. This takes practice and won't happen overnight. Be patient and provide consistent guidance and support. The more you encourage your kids to solve their own problems, the more confident and capable they'll become. They'll learn to trust their judgment and abilities. It's about equipping them with the skills they need for life. These experiences will shape their character and prepare them for future challenges. Let them learn from their conflicts. Discuss what went well and what could be improved next time. They'll grow stronger and more resilient. A family that resolves conflicts together stays together, building a foundation of trust and understanding. Avoid comparison and competition. Comparing your kids to each other can create resentment and jealousy. Every child is unique with their own strengths and weaknesses. Celebrate those differences, not pit them against each other. Focus on each child's individual progress and achievements. Praise their effort, perseverance, and creativity. Make sure you're giving each of your kids equal time and attention. Favoritism can create resentment and division within a family. Create a level playing field where each child feels loved, supported, and valued. Create family traditions. Shared experiences create lasting memories and strengthen family bonds. Create family traditions that everyone looks forward to. This could be anything from a weekly game night to an annual camping trip. Involve your kids in creating these traditions. It's about creating positive memories and fostering a sense of togetherness. These moments will be cherished long after they've grown up. Encourage empathy and support. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's the foundation of compassion, kindness, and other positive traits. When kids empathize with each other, they're more likely to be supportive and understanding. Talk about feelings and help your kids identify and label their emotions. Read books together that explore different emotions. Model empathy yourself by being kind and understanding. Create a culture of empathy in your home. Let your kids see you putting yourself in other people's shoes. They'll be more likely to do the same. Intervene thoughtfully in conflicts. Constantly intervening in their conflicts can prevent them from learning how to resolve their own disputes. Take on the role of a mediator instead of imposing a solution. Help them communicate their needs and feelings to each other. Guide them through finding a solution that works for everyone. If things escalate, call a timeout and let them cool down. Teach your kids how to navigate conflict in a healthy and productive way. Foster independence and togetherness. It's about finding a balance between individuality and connection. Encourage your kids to explore their own interests and passions. Create opportunities for them to connect and bond. Have family movie nights or game nights where everyone participates. Nurture their individuality while fostering a sense of togetherness. This balance will help them develop a strong sense of self and a strong sibling bond. They'll appreciate their unique qualities and their shared history. Recognize positive interactions. Kids thrive on positive reinforcement. Praise their efforts when they get along and support each other. Acknowledge their good behavior and let them know you're proud. Create a positive feedback loop where positive behavior is noticed and appreciated. Catch them being good and let them know you see it. This will encourage them to repeat positive behavior. Teach responsibility for each other. Encourage your kids to look out for each other. Instill the importance of family and being there for each other. Talk about family values like loyalty, respect, and unconditional love. Let them know that even when they disagree, they're still family. Create a culture of support and accountability within your family. Everyone should feel loved, valued, and protected. Be patient and consistent. These two qualities are the cornerstone of building strong family relationships. Building a strong sibling bond takes time and effort. It requires dedication and a willingness to invest in each other. It's an ongoing process with good days and bad days. There will be moments of joy and moments of frustration. Be patient and consistent in your approach. Consistency helps children understand expectations and develop trust. Don't give up on them or get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep reinforcing positive behaviors. Celebrate small victories along the way. Guide them towards healthy communication and conflict resolution. Teach them to express their feelings and listen to others. Show them what a loving and supportive relationship looks like. Your actions speak louder than words. Remember, you're playing the long game. The bonds you help them build now will last a lifetime. Equip them with the skills and values they need for strong relationships. Teach them empathy, respect, and cooperation. It's not about stopping fights for a day or a week. It's about teaching them how to resolve conflicts and grow from them. It's about building lasting bonds. Bonds that will support them through life's challenges. Your patience and consistency will pay off in the long run. The love and support you give today will shape their future.